Well, good morning. What a delightful morning this is. It's been so hot, and yesterday was so humid, and it is just delightful to hear this morning. It's 60 degrees, no humidity. We got our geometry report. We had geometry truck in here last week. We got our geometry report back, and got a few spots I got to take care of. Surprisingly, not very many. And we're going to haul some rock today so I can get rock out there where I need to put rock, and I'll spend the rest of the week getting places tamped up. All right, we're making things happen. Just what an absolutely beautiful morning here in southwestern Pennsylvania. I couldn't wait to come to work this morning. This is a cool, good place to work. I love being here. All right. I think I'd be asking my money back off them guys sprayed it. Okay, we're up here on curve 6, all the way at the loadout. This needs tamped up. It's got a couple load joints up here, so dump some rock here. I'll have rock for me to tamp with. And I got the regulator on the other side of the locomotive. He's going to plow it out for me. And then we'll go dump another spot. All right. Got some coal spillage up here, but okay. Doing good. This is air's coming in this pipe here. Goes up into a hydraulic pump. The air operates the pump, and then these hydraulic levers here operate the doors. There's cylinders on the other end of that door that opens and closes them. Pretty cool stuff. We used to have to run alongside the ballast car with a bar and open and close the doors. This is a lot nicer. Nice, nice, nice! We've had this ballast car for probably close to, I'm going to say 27, 28 years. All right. I'm a little skimpy on my ballast here too, so be good. Then we're going to go way down there. There's a spot I need to dump way down there. There you hear exhausted. Okay, Mr. AJ, we're going to head down the tangent and dump down here that little spot. Come on, keep coming, keep coming. All right. Always a good day when I get to dump ballast. I like to dump ballast. I like to ride in the back of this car. We're going about 10 miles an hour now, but it is a beautiful day here. Last year, about a year and a half ago, I started cribbing. I cribbed all this out down through there, down around the curve. And made a big difference. There was a lot of coal spilled in here, and the track surface was really bad. Right down there was really bad. Anyway, okay. So this is all good ballast. I tamped it up a bunch of times. So it's in pretty good shape right now. Okay. spot we're going to dump down at milepost 7.5. Okay. Don't need a geometry truck. We got this. The nice thing about the geometry truck is it checks track gauge. Can't check track gauge with this. But see your top of your car. Your top of the car's rocking all over the place. You know you got a bad spot. It's like my little track geometry detector in my little high rail truck. Okay, got 2 spots up there dumped, and I'm gonna head down track here and dump some more. It's nice. I got all day track. We can take the locomotive off and do this. Yeah. All right. I got one bad spot coming up here, but I don't need to dump in it. I got enough ballast on the side. And you asked me, we push this car down track. Well, you see we got a left-hand curve we're going into. There's that bad spot right through here. But it ain't real bad. Certainly not anything that's out of FRA specs, just a little bit of wobble. But people want to know why you push this. Well, we can only, we've either got to have this ballast car on one end. We can either push it up loaded, or we can push it back. So this is how we do it. But you know, when you get that left-hand curve, I'm on this side, I can see out in front of me. And when he goes into a right-hand curve, the locomotive operator can see out in front of him. So it's really not, it's what we got, it's what we got to do. So, you know, we can't turn these locomotives around. We always pulling a car, just can't do that. But this works out, and we're safe. We watch out in front of us. I can see a good ways down track here. So, okay. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. We're getting track work done today. I love it. Always a good day when I get to ride the locomotive. I got another little spot down here to get fill in before we head on down to 7.5. That's I'd made a video, oh, I don't know, maybe 3 years ago, of down here at this spot where I explained track twist and track warp. So I'm going to check that out. The link to that video is in this video's description. Yeah, you can see this is a little bare. This got tamped a couple months ago and never got filled back in yet. But I don't need a whole lot of rock there, but well, I got the rock car out. We're going to fill it up. Okay, keep coming, Mr. AJ. I'll get off down here where we got a little more shoulder to work off of. Okay, very good. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Outpost 4.5. We're headed east. This is always a cool shot coming up, going through the tunnel. Ah! And the locomotive is on dynamic braking currently. It's curve 21. We're not going very fast. About 10 mile an hour right now. You have to throttle up here. You got her slowed down a little bit too much, but that's all right. That's cool. Oh, we're back here on curve 36A. We're gonna dump it and curve 36. The track fall a little bit there on this curve. Okay. I camped it last week, so there's not a whole lot of rock left here on the shoulders, and we're gonna get some more rock dumped here. Okay, wonderful. About that. Right down there is where the track is falling out. It's holding up pretty good. Okay, we're on curve 36 now. All right. It's railroading. I love it. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching. And we hope you have a really good day. We'll catch you on the next one.